This is the second version I've made of this little guy. This was the first version. It didn't work very well at all. I made some changes. I changed from this motor, dual shaft motor, just didn't have enough power and ran too fast, to one of these normal N20 gear motors I normally use. This one runs at 60 RPM on this single cell LiPo. I think it was actually rated at like 100 RPM at 6 volts or something like that, but it's running on a lower voltage. I made a lot of changes, a lot of improvements. It's wider for one thing, so it's more stable. The fingers here are longer. I've captured the legs moving up and down better by putting little caps. Well, actually they're designed right into the cams. Normally I would use like a 3mm brass shaft right there, but I decided to go the whole 3D printed route. So this part is the cam, and the shaft, this is a round shaft that goes into a short hex section right here that goes through this gear, and this is the other side of the cam, the cam, and then there's a short hex section on it, the female part that this one goes into, and a screw going through to hold it all together. That way there's keyed. It should make it easier to assemble. So I'll continue to work on it from where it is right now. Probably make the legs, the legs right here will probably splay out like this. I think I'll probably make the legs in two parts. A little stub right here, and then going down to another 3D printed part. That way I'll be able to print the leg portion, or the foot or leg, whatever you want to call it, portion on the printer like this, and then I can still print this part laying flat on the bed, which makes for a nicer print. If I designed the whole leg and the part that goes on the cam together, I would have to print it like this with this round part. It would probably print okay, but I'd prefer to print it like this. So I'm going to continue to work on it. I think I made quite a bit of progress just going from what I learned on the first failed attempt to this. Pretty stable. You can knock it over if you try.